gets me every time.
Hi! We're going to a road trip today with Brian. And we're going to the sunflower farm here in September. Okay, so let's go! Yeah, let's go. Helmet. So that we'll see. Bomba sa daan guys para di maflatan. Palaban ka Google Map. Huwag may katuod. Update. Nawala kami.
Oh no!
Wala yung sunflower. No sunflower. Mora gid ni siya, besh. Mao din ni siya pero dili man ni sunflower. Han, wala ko kabalo.
Kapalayo ka, kapalayo.
Wait. No sunflower. No sunflower. Oh my God. Pwede ba mo sulod dara? Nga isulod ang motor. Pag sure, uy.
Paano man eh? Ay, sunflower to, diyan ko oh. Pasulot. Kita ko sa ato mga iro. Karon ni tanong na to ang parang stigit. Oh,
Pila ka buong iro.
tulo.
Ang motor, ako.
Kalayo man parang si Iggy. Oh, mga bagong Iggy. Oh,
Besh, dili ka tapat yun namin sa mga iro.
matagat sila ko.
Oh my God, nagpipin sila! Guys, flower, Let's begin kay Kiro.
May adventure kundi mawala.
Pahinga mode muna kasi masakit na daw yung
Puwet.
nawala. Nawala kami. Walang sunflower. Nasaan yung sunflower? Stop over. Toilet, stop over. Nahihina. Nahihina kami. sunflower now. Diretso lang kayo hanggang makarating sa sunflower, tapos turn left. Ulit, may makita kayong traffic light, U-turn. Pag nag-U-turn na kayo, may makita kayong electric office na may store ng mga furniture.
U-turn, turn left.
Next, nun may street papasok. Saka makikita nyo na ang banner ng sunflower. Guys, we're almost 5 hours of road trip. Nanagid mi dire. We're here. Okay. There's a lot of people now because it's weekend. Nanagay sunflower. We're so funny. Welcome to Sunflower Farm.
Mic test, mic. 1, 2, check, check. Guys, welcome sa aming mountain sunflower. Araw ko, lahat. Say hi sa
Sabi nga. Ano sinabi mo?
Alam mo ba ang sunflower ay nagmula sa sun? Nahulog sa naging fly. Kaya naman po siya pag may sun.
We're going to get some
ได้มีโอ
food.
กาสต้อนรับพี่น้อง
Because
ทุก
we're
ท่าน
really
นะครับที่
hungry.
มาเยือนเมืองโบราณอู่ทองแล้วก็ถือโอกาสมา
Kinแล้ว
เยี่ยมเยียนไร่วรรณกิจสัมพันธ์แห่งนี้นะครับ ได้ร่วมกับผู้ประกอบการกลุ่มโลโม่สนับสนุนให้กลุ่มจิตอาสาร่วมพัฒนาพื้นที่บริเวณนี้ทั้งหมดนะครับ เป็นทุ่งทานตะวันเที่ยวชมรอบๆไร่วรรณกิจสัมพันธ์ไปที่บริเวณป้ายเมืองโบราณอู่ทองนะครับไปดูเรือนสำคัญ